my switch panel, this is where I decided to install it. What I did is to take the glass apart and move the rear fan over to this side and then pop out the insert so that I could feed the wire through and underneath, over behind and over here, and so my switch panel. Now it's always on. There's accessory wire that always stays on. Not sure exactly how much power it draws, but I think I'm gonna install an on-off switch for this, and that way I can turn it on and doesn't attract any unnecessary attention. And I think I'm gonna use the same hole, and I'll just put this little switch that came with one of my lights, maybe like right here. That I can turn it on and then use the lights. So this is where I decided to drill. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but you can kind of see right there is where it comes in. And it's basically over here. Right over there. I just fed it through. Okay, so for this, I'm going to make a hole probably right about there. On-off switch, and I think I might leave room for one more just in case I decide to put something else over there in the future. I don't know, but I might put a little bit to the side just to leave some room for that. The plan is I'll make a pilot hole, kind of a big for a pilot hole, and then just kind of I'll actually grab a smaller drill bit and then I'll just use a step bit to widen it. And I think I'm not gonna need a whole lot, probably just this much, and that should just pop in. Alright, now that we got our smaller bit, let's find a good placement for this. Now I did already check just to make sure there's nothing in the back. There's not. It's pretty open space back there, so I'll always check what's on the other side. Pretty close. I think we should be pretty much there. That's where I'm gonna stop. Over here, just gonna hook it up. I'm gonna use my, I think the one in the middle. That's the one that actually, that's not how it was hooked up before, but one in the middle is the one that actually provides power. And again, on the bottom, we're gonna put white cable. And the top one, the blue one, is the one that actually provides the light to the button itself. I want to see if I can connect the two, bridge them somehow. We'll see. Find out how it works. And then we'll just stuff it in there. That's it. So I have installed the switch, so you can see the lights are currently on. There's my little button right there. I just turn it off. I need to use it. There. Again, not sure, that's probably very minimal draw, but I just didn't like having it on all the time, so we'll see how it works. There's a little switch for that. Basically the way it's wired is the wire from the controller box with the accessory wire. I'm using the white wire to feed that back to feed to the on-off switch, and then the black wire comes back and goes over here. So before the on-off switch, I had this tap-in fuse. That way, and it's currently plugged into the horn, so that way you always get constant power, because horn always gets electricity. So if you camping and you want to have lights on, you don't need to turn on your ignition. You can just use the light switch. So in my case, I can just leave that on and not worry about it. Or if the car's gonna be standing for a while, I'll just turn it off for peace of mind. This will go, should go off.